Welcome back. So this is going to be the final lecture on our app design. So we're going to connect all the screen using the prototype. And before that, if you notice, I've grouped all the screens accordingly like this. So I'll drop the user flow file so that you can follow the user flow as well to arrange your screens like this, so that it'll be perfectly organized. This is the best practice so that when you are connecting the prototype, your prototype will not be messed up or confused. So this is one of the best way to do it. And moreover, there are some key important things I would also like you to note. All the lectures we did will not cover everything. I would like you to use your own creativity to now see how you can add some of the validation points and all that. So the first four screen we have here, they are the home screen, the preloader screen, the onboarding, and the app overlay overview. So here we're going to start with the first home screen. So if you go to your prototype here, the app icon should be connected to the preloader screen, and the preloader screen should be connected to the onboarding screen. So this way here is perfect, right? So we proceed. Then here we already have the prototype there. When user tap on get started, they should be navigated to where? To the sign up screen, right? When they tap on the logo is always connected to the home screen. So here we are going to, everything here is perfect, and if the user tap on the menu, this overlay will open. So we continue from these two buttons. So if user tap on login, they should be directed to login page. So we are going to take it to our login page. So you should do that because of the screen. Connect the login page, connect the login button to the login page. So which is this here. So on tap instant to this page. Alright, so this will give them the option to sign in their email and password. So we are done with that. Now if they tap on get started free, that is the second button, they should be navigated to the sign up page. So where is sign up page? This is the first sign up page, that is the screen 1. So we are done with that. Okay, so now let's go to the second section. Now the second section is the one that has the chat icon and all that. I'm sure we connected that one to some of our prototypes. So here everything about chat page I think is perfect. We don't need to tamper with anything there. So now let's come to sign up screen 1. In sign up screen 1, we should have the logo connected to the home page, and we should have the icon connected to the back page. So all the icons you see at back that have back here, let's connect them to the previous screen. So that is how you're going to do it. All the icons that have back here should be connected to the previous screen. And I think here also all the prototype here is perfect. So I think where we need to modify in this sign up screens here is the button that has sign in. So let's go back to our design frame panel and select the home page and increase the height so that we'll see the login. Select this one, increase it, select this one, increase it. When we finish, we're going to revert it back to the size it was. So select this one to increase it, and the last one. So all the screens, select it and increase it. And increase it. So the reason why we're increasing it, we want to connect this login text to the login page. So that is how it's supposed to be. So irrespective of the page they are, they can easily go back to a login page, right? So select that and go back to prototype. So it's already connected to the login page, you can see. So that is perfect there. So come to the second one and make sure the login is also connected to the login page. That is this. Is there. Is there. Is there. What of this is there? Is there. Is there. So you are done with that. Everything there is confirmed. If you confirm all this is connected to the login page, then you can go back and close the height of it to the normal height. So the normal height was this exact frame, which was let's check, 844. So you clip it back to 844 and down to 844. Now we'll go to the next page. We want to make sure that the pages are all connected. So let's go to the next section, which is this, and also confirm the prototype is there. So here it's connected, it's connected, it's connected, connected, connected. So let's check the other login part. If it's connected, it's not connected. So here also, if you take your time and connect it back to the login page, just like we did the other one. So that is done. So you take it back to the same height. So now let's proceed to the next section. So here, the same thing, you connect it. So this back arrow should always take you back to the previous arrow page. So make sure you connect it like that to the previous page. Maybe in case the user wants to go back to the previous page. So this is always connected to the previous, and so on and so forth. So select the arrow, take it back to the previous page. Previous page. So, and also connect all the login to the login page. All right. So let's see which one is remaining. There are this one. Skew to the previous page. And this one I think is okay. Now create account tool. It should take us to the sign up page. Okay, it's already there. You can see once they tap there, you can go back to sign up page. Okay. So take your time to also check everything is connected. Right, so we're done with this section as well. Now let's go to the next section and see, which is this login. So if you can see login to is connected and all that. This section is complete. Now let's come to the next section here. So if user login, we should be able to navigate back to the dashboard. So that is after this delay, they will come to the dashboard. So after registration is successful, the user is supposed to come here, right? So let's click on the login. If user tap login, what you follow, if user tap this login now, there should be an overlay here. There should be a next screen that will show that they are logging in, which is going to be our preloading stage. So we are going to bring the preloading stage to this section here. So quickly I'm going to increase this section and go back to design panel, select these three together and move them to the right. So now let's go back to our first section and duplicate this preloader, Alt key drag. So we're going to bring it to this stage here. Okay, So now go to your prototype and remove the one that was there before. Okay, so now here we're going to connect another prototype on this login. Once user click on login under here, there was this login that will have some information, random information that look as if they have entered password and so this particular one, very good. So this particular one should go to the preloader, this particular login. So once user click on this login, it should be directed to this preloading stage. Here, so it connected to the preloader stage here. And after this preloader, what happened? We connect it, should now navigate to the dashboard, and this should be after delay. Understand? So you keep it to after delay. So we want maybe the preloader to load for 3 seconds, and they will now be navigated here as they are signing now. Okay, so let's zoom out and test that from that stage. Let's see. So let's quickly go to this login page. Let's select it and preview it to see the results. So now if they click on login, you can see, and it will now be directed to the dashboard. So this is perfect there. So now similarly, this one has field information, right? Yes, the login tool can be directed to the preloading stage. So connect it to the preloader here, and also leave it the way it is. So either of the two screens, when user tap on login, they are going to be directed to the dashboard after a few seconds. So let's test this one too and see. So you can see the password and everything is already there, and if they decide not to hide their password, they can log in to the next stage. So we are done with that too as well. All right, now let's proceed. So now once they're in the dashboard, they want to navigate to the pages, right? So let's do that quickly. So this is the home page. The home page should always be there on the home page. So let's go to transaction. Now this transaction, we're going to connect the transaction to transaction page. So where is the transaction page? Let's look for it. So this transaction page should be connected to anywhere here. You see this transaction, connect it to transaction page. So you should do that across all the pages where you see transaction icon. So we're going to do that and connect it to the transaction page. So here, okay, so that is connected. Similarly, we'll come here, tap on transaction and connect it to transaction page. So let's finish the transaction first, then we'll go to the next one. So where it is already there. This one too, so already connected to the page. So user tab, there shouldn't be any action. Then let's check. So all the transaction should be connected to transaction page. So here too, take it to the transaction page. Okay, here too, take it to the transaction page. Here too, take it to the transaction page. So this is how you're going to do it one after the other for all the icons. Make sure every icon is connected to the respective page, corresponding page. Yeah, now this home icon will always take to the dashboard. That is the login page. So here should always be here. So select home icon again. Home as the dashboard to the dashboard page. Yeah. Okay. Select here from here also. That is the dashboard here. You can check anyone you do and always confirm before you go far. Okay, to the dashboard here as well. And here is dashboard. Connect it to the dashboard as well. Okay, so we are done with that. I think we still have one more, right? Have two more. So this one also connect it to the only the dashboard icon. Connect it to the dashboard. Is here. And then the last one as well. We have not connected this one, but that one was good there. So to the dashboard. Okay, correct. And the last one, which is this one, to the dashboard as well. Alright, so we are done with dashboard and transaction. Similarly, check the transaction icon across all the pages and connect it back to transaction page. So let's go to delivery. So we're going to start from up or come down here. So tap on delivery. Come to delivery page. Here. Go to the next spread. Delivering. Delivery. Tap to delivery page. Alright, so now quickly let's preview the one we did so far. Street comment. Okay, we have not validated this space, so this should have a validation print where it will say please enter password, and so you can create a validation point here that will say please enter password and log in. So you can see now. Let's log in and see. Now we are here. So let's say click on transaction. Okay, click on delivery. It has not navigated, so we're going to do that. So but the transaction so far is working and the dashboard too. We're going to connect it back. Alright, so let's close it and connect it back. So we go back and continue from where we stop. So transaction so far is connected to all the transaction pages, right? Alright, but delivery is only one. That is only this page, right? So let's go to other pages and connect delivery as well. Okay, so for shipping, connect shipping and shipping position. excuse me, in shipping position, connect delivery to delivery. Okay. Similarly, this position also connected back to delivery page. So we are done with delivery, and here, okay, also let's tap delivery here and connect it back to delivery page. To delivery page. Once you select, you can zoom out with other key and also make your scrolling using the shift key. So this is it, delivery page, connected there. Then we also have delivery here, right? Connect it back to delivery page. And similarly, transaction, that is the dashboard to dashboard page. So it connected before, yeah, it was connected already. No, it wasn't. So we take it to the dashboard page. Here is it. So there was one that was there before. So you remove that one and change this one on top, on drag to on top. Okay. So if let's go back from the login again and preview and see the result. So if you preview here and click here, there's a validation that is happening, but one user tap, they are able to log in. And once they log in, can now play around with the everything. So now let's close the overlay and check the dashboard. We are here, transaction, we are there, can go back to dashboard from transaction. So let's change with delivery. Okay, so we can go back from delivery and all that. So that's perfect. So let's continue to products and that of the user profile. All right, so we go to product. So let's start from where we have the icon from here. So select product, is already connected to product. Okay, good. All of here also connected to product. Good. So now let's go to the next screen, which is here. So product here, should go to product. So it's not connected, so it's tap on product page and drag it to product. Right. Then here also we drag it to product. Here also to product. Here also select the product to product page. Excuse me. To product page and remove the first one that was not connected. So I think product 2 is connected now. So now let's start from the last one. Let's select the user profile now. User profile, now go to user profile page. As the user profile page here. Okay, hope is connected. it wasn't connected, so take it again and take it down to user profile. That is this page. Now it's connected. So we're done with that. Let's come to the second screen, user profile. Connect it to the user profile page. Which is here as well. Okay. Then let's go to the next screen, which is on that delivery page. So we connect the user profile to user profile page. There's still many. Find it here. So what you are going to do is to connect each icon to the corresponding page. So you take your time to do that. I'm going to fast forward this so that we can move faster. So let's preview one of the page and make sure that all the pages are connected. So let's come from dashboard again and preview. Then we'll tap on dashboard. Nothing is happening because you are in dashboard. Transaction, we're there. Delivery, we're there. Okay. And once we click back, it's not going. So we are going to connect it back to all the back pages. So delivery, one of the products, we're in product delivery. So from products page, we have not connected the delivery. Then let's go to user account. We're there. If I click on sign out, the overlay is working. I can close it. Okay. So from user account, we have not connected back to delivery. And we are okay. Down is working, but we have not connected back to product. So we're going to verify that one after the other. So use all these steps and procedures to connect your prototype respectively. So once you are done, you now take your time to check from screen 1 up to the last screen and make sure everything is working. You can add more features like error validations and all that. And finally, let's go back. Let me show you something. Once you come here in this sign up stage here, the sign up screens we have here, you need to zoom out a bit and go back to design here. On this sign up screens here, remember this form selection. Once we tap here, it navigates to different screens, right? So if you want to make it stay in one screen, you can use a selection drop down method. Create component in each and every one of these fields that has selection, so that when user tap, they will have option to select instead of the screen to change to the next page that has that selection. So I have one of the videos where I make tutorial about that. So you can watch that video and learn how to do it. Then you can use it to create a component on these pages. Alright, congratulations, and we're done with our first project. You can take your time and also preview and make sure everything is perfect and add it to your portfolio. Thank you for being part of the journey from day 1 to the last day. We'll continue building more projects. Keep on track, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and also make contribution by sharing to others so that we can grow together. Thank you so much.